Hey guys, we got a huge windstorm happening. We just lost 3 trees right there. And another one's gonna go right there. Oh man! We got a couple more, like that big guy there. He can actually reach the house, so we are just freaking out. That guy right there, he's going the other way, but luckily it missed our garden and stuff. But we've got debris everywhere, and it's just starting to rain. It's just all black over there. It looks white in the video, but it's not. Got a tree over here. Oh, there's lightning. This guy's lost several trees over here too. Whoa. Oh man. See, all those just broke off. Whoa. Snapping and busting. Oh man. We're in the house. Lights are completely out.
Oh God.
We moved the trucks.
Careful.
We moved the trucks so maybe trees wouldn't fall on them. Those ones are all leaning over. This guy, man, he's usually standing straight up. He's leaning way over. Wow. Whoa. Hoping nothing takes out our camp trailer. Just lightning everywhere. Wow, that looks like it's about ready to just bust. Yeah, that tree just came down. Came down on top of the truck. No, there's really no damage, probably just scratched up a little bit. Wow, lightning everywhere still. Oh man. Had a big one hit just a while ago. The tree is just still bent over. Amazing. Oh, got some sticks here. All over the yards of debris. Blue skies. Oh. Teresa's little area that she made right here is a fatality. That's right, she'll have to get some more mint somewhere else. Hit that stump and it snapped her in two. Here's the other one. Came down. Got a weak spot. Come out here and finish her off, I guess. Wasn't all rotted or nothing. This guy here had a double top in it. And split this other down the middle. One top went this side, the other top went to the other side of that tree there. Oh boy. Chainsaws are starting up. Well, got my work cut out for me today. Alright, so here's the next day. Teresa's over there piling brush. Got a bunch of piles over here. A couple of log lengths, cut some 33s. And 16/6 stuff. Hard work.
Yes, Teresa and her OCD.
Yep. Still at it.
Everything's gotta look neat.
But all them limbs for just a couple of logs, they're not really worth all that much money at the sawmill. So see if we can get somebody to yard them out. I got a bunch of pig ears on that one, but all right. So here's the last of this. I got it all limbed up, got it bucked up and stuff. Got a 16/6 and 33, and that dead one that was there, my brother-in-law, he came over and felled that one real quick, so got even more firewood. And I got that one back there to do yet, but lots of limbs. Gotta love bull pine. Hey, Sadie.